Hey there, future investors! Ready to unlock the secrets of finance? Let's dive in. Blindly following others is a common mistake among new investors, often leading to poor financial decisions. A notable example occurred during the Bitcoin surge in late 2017. Many inexperienced investors jumped on the bandwagon, lured by sensational headlines and the fear of missing out. As a result, they invested substantial amounts without conducting proper research. When the bubble burst in early 2018, these investors faced significant losses, while those who approached the investment with caution and conducted thorough research were far less affected. To avoid the pitfalls of following the crowd, it's crucial to develop an independent investment strategy. Start by conducting your own research. Understand the fundamentals of the assets you're interested in. Ask yourself questions like, what is the company's business model? How does it generate revenue? What are the risks involved? Establishing a solid foundation of knowledge will help you make informed decisions, rather than relying on hype. Additionally, consider setting specific investment goals tailored to your financial situation. This personalizes your strategy and keeps you focused on your objectives rather than being swayed by others' choices. It's also helpful to maintain a diversified portfolio, as this can buffer against potential losses from any single investment. Lastly, remember that investing is a long-term journey. Market trends may change, but sticking to your well-researched strategy can lead to more consistent results over time. Resist the urge to jump into investments simply because others are doing so, and instead, focus on what aligns with your goals. Avoiding the trap of blind following is essential for successful investing. By doing your research, setting personalized goals, and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can navigate the market with confidence and make decisions that truly reflect your financial aspirations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment tips. See you next time.